Hello everyone, I'm back with another case video review for the Google Pixel 8. This case is from Caseology, and it is their Athlex case for the Pixel 8. It comes in black. It's on Amazon for $9.99. I did review this case for the Pixel 8 Pro, but I did not do it for the Pixel 8, so I figured I'd make a separate video for that. You just open it up here. It has some Caseology box. And again, it's the Athlex case. So here we go. Okay, so do you need a fresh start? And it has wipes, wet wipes, so you can clean your phone off, and also a little cloth there, microfiber cloth. So that's a nice touch there. And for $9.99, I mean, that's a little something extra you don't usually get. It has the kind of typical Caseology, I guess, absorption, like a shock absorption here. And it's pretty solid. It's a TPU case. It does have a nice grip right here. What I like about it is it doesn't bow in, so I can push down and it's not gonna give so easily like the Taurus case. If you push down on it, it just like folds right in. So it's pretty solid. This is usually a weak spot for most cases, so typically it's not the strongest right here, but it is what it is. For $9.99, it's not a bad deal. I actually use this for the Pixel 8 Pro as well. So I have the Pixel 8 in Obsidian here. Let's go ahead and pop that in. Okay. And yeah, there you go. So feels good, nice and grippy. I do like this case a lot. For $9.99, I think bang for your buck. The protection that it offers, the grippiness that it has, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. This is actually really good. We'll check the cutouts here. Yep, they all look clean. Actually very nice. Cutouts have been an issue this year with a lot of cases. You have the volume up and down. You have the kind of turn off and on button there. Yep, there you go. So yeah, feels good. Once you get used to where it's located, that's more the phone. On the Pixels, microphone, nice cutouts for the camera there. Perfect. Yeah, it's really good. It's well made. TPU, $9.99. A little Caseology branding right there. I'm filming this on the Z Fold 5. It's a great case for $9.99. I would definitely recommend it. Again, you can get it on Amazon for $9.99. It has nice lip protection as well. Definitely plenty of lip protection. There's really no need to spend a whole lot of money on cases. Now, I will say, unless you want a different color, Caseology makes Caseology. I always say Caseology or Caseology. I don't know how exactly you pronounce it. They don't necessarily have different colors. This is only comes in black, so I have the Obsidian, so it's perfect for me. But if you want different colors, the Caseology does make different colors of different cases. They're just double the price, and it does offer a little bit more protection here with the other case they have. But honestly, for $10, I haven't broken a phone since Nexus 3, I think. And I didn't have a very good case on that. And it fell on some concrete steps and just, it didn't even shatter the screen. It just gave me a line right across the screen. So, I don't really, these cases all work the same as far as I'm concerned. Oh, there's my timer. As far as I'm concerned. So I don't really think there's a need to spend a whole lot of money on a case if you don't have to. So yeah, so that's Caseology, Athlex, $9.99, at least here in the US on Amazon. And the brand is Caseology. I highly recommend this case. It's a good quality case at a good price. All right. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well. And talk to you next time. Bye-bye.